this we are sitting. Yo, oh, just scared. So clever. Oh my god, somebody left their orange. Eat it, bacha. Eat it. Yeah, okay, these are the strips. So, let's visit. This is the cage of the birds. These are the gates. The gate number 1, gate number 2, gate number 3. There are total gates 3. These are the strips. I don't know what they were for. These are the birds' food, and maybe this orange is for the bird. And this is the net, and they are on something string, and they can fly up. And the waste is right there on the ground. You can see. These cute little birds. The yellow one, relax birds. The yellow one is moon, and this white blue one is kingari. I never seen this guy out. But our friend, he says, Advait, this kingari will come out, then it will hard to catch and it will bite. Moon is polite to him, or he can bite also. Okay. They move like a freak. What? Oh, see how much fast they are.
Please don't scare them.
So, this is. You did lot of naughty nice. Lot of. Oh, oh. This is the feather, I think so. Something. There's the feather. I think so. Oh. Getting more, guys. Let's see how it works. Football. Let's see if you put it in the cage. Have we put the okay. Take this beta. Oh, there's some